Take a ride in the 2023 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, clock, compass, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear-view mirror, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.